Hi, my name is Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Jim earlier about sending you this video on some quick tips and tricks on how to boost your website to get more customers and more traffic to your business. So I'll kind of go through three different things today. We'll go through content on your front page of your website, backlinks, and citations. Excuse me. So let's go through here on your website. So I went through all of your content here, which is simply just how you talking about your business and services. So Google likes you to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page to shoot you organically to the top of Google search. And it looks like you guys have about 130 words on your front page. You definitely need quite a bit more than that, as well as putting some keywords through all of your content. And I'll kind of go through that here in a few minutes. Another thing that's great is Google only goes through, it's a system, it's a computer. It goes through all of your pictures to see what the image name is. And so I'll kind of show you here. Give me one moment. You can see it says 2009 Mr. Comfort Crew. It really is helpful if you have your photos named, OKC Plumbing, Plumbing OKC, Plumbers in Oklahoma City, anything that's a keyword, really have your pictures saved as that. Okay. Another thing we will go through is how I found your competition. So, like I said, we'll go through keywords here in just a moment, but right here, OKC Plumbers is a really good keyword. So is Plumbers OKC OK. Plumbers Edmond, Plumbers Near Me, all of those are keywords. And so when we go through this organically, we are looking for this listing down below here. So these two are just directories, which aren't real businesses. Right here, we have the first business that's organically ranked with Google. So I click onto that. Once we click that, we see their front page. Now their front page with their content has a lot of keywords through here, and they have about 900 words. That is not hard to beat. If we can get your website to 1,500 words on that front page, that will help you tremendously. Next thing we're going to go through here is a system I like to use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. Right here, this shows us our domain ranking, or really our website power. The higher the number, the more power that you guys have. Right now we have 0.8. So if you guys can get that, even to a 5.0, that would be quite a bit more power. Backlinks, this is something else we're going to talk about. Backlinks is your website on other websites. So you have a backlink on 15 different websites. You have 49 different ones on 15 different websites. Another thing that's very important is what I was talking about here, organic keywords. Let's see. You guys will always have yours up here, your business name. And it really doesn't look like we have a whole lot of other important keywords. I'll kind of show you on the next deal, but it's all your own company. So if we look at your direct competition, Plum Crazy Plumbers, they have a 3.3, still not high. That could be fairly quick to beat on their power. They have 331 backlinks from 59 different websites, quite a bit more. And their organic keywords is right in that sweet spot between 3 to 500 at 356. Of course, here's their name here. Here's a great keyword, Plumbers OKC. 500 people search that on a monthly basis. They're getting 15 customers from that, and they are number 5 positioned on Google, meaning there's 10 positions on a page, so they're on that first page. OKC Plumbing has 80, and they're getting 14 customers, almost the same amount of customers because they're position number 2. Here's another one with 100 people searching. They get 10 customers from that, 10% of that. Let's see here. Plumber, Oklahoma City OK. 200 people search that a month. They get 7 because they're number 8. If we could really implement some of these keywords here into your front page of your content, then you will definitely rank higher than them. Next thing we're going to talk about is the Google Map Pack. So right here, what you guys will do is go to Google My Business and register for Google My Business. Once you get your postcard in the mail, then you will go ahead and put that code into your Google My Business, creating your business on Google's platform. Then you will take the exact name, so how there's a comma and a period here, you'll take your exact name, or whatever you guys choose, and put that into different directories around Oklahoma City. That's Citations. That's all Citations are. Once you do that, you will get up to this right here, which is the Google Map Pack. Inputting just your name, address, and phone number on different citations, different directories, will get you citations and rank you high in this when somebody searches. And how you can do that is you can go to local citation finder, any of them. There's quite a few that work well. And let's see here, you guys have 27 different citations, whereas your competition has 42 different citations. So you'll just click onto their citations and go to every single one that you can. There's over 350. What we would do is we would get more citations week after week after week, build you up to as many as we possibly can get. That way nobody can touch you on that Google Map Pack, that ranking. So you'll go through these, you'll reach out to these owners and just get on their pages, get your website on their pages. Okay, well, if you guys have any questions, those are my 3 tips. Feel free to take these, run with them, rank your business, and if you guys need any help or have any more questions, please give me a call at 405-627-2693, or my email is my first name, Caitlin, at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.